think that's the best way to go. Like I said, it's kind of a trickle-down part. Michelle, when you do the introduction, send it to, and then I have to send, and then we can meet up, and then, are we supposed to be doing like a big presentation through like Google Hangout then?
Right. So like on the last day, I thought maybe if we could get together and just maybe review what we wanted to do, like on another date, if you guys want to pick a date, and then like I think it's due at midnight on Wednesday. So like maybe if we had time, whether you guys want to do it Tuesday night or Wednesday sometime before then, we could actually have like a 6 to 8 minute presentation where we all are supposed to have a speaking part.
Okay. I think the group speech has to be 20 to 30 minutes.
Really? Because I think I read on that, like, if you look, it like it's 6 minutes. Yeah, at least it said minimal 6.
6 minutes for the group?
Yeah.
I'm reading the webcom assignment list for it, and it said 20 to 30 minutes.
Because I was reading it under what his assignment, like under Blackboard, so it's so difficult to tell because the Blackboard and webcom, there's such variation, and some of the stuff on webcom is old, like the dates are old, so I'm not really sure.
The only thing on webcom you have to worry about the tests.
Right.
For the most part.
Alright.
So if we did the speech and each one of us comes up with a minute and a half, we're there.
Yeah, that'd work. I guess it has to be 6 to 8, so we'll go with that. Trying to think. I think we have everything we need to get started on this project. Are we all in agreement with what we're doing?
Sure, I think if...
how are we dividing up the body?
Yeah.
I think one of you would need to start with the need, and then it's difficult because you have to split up that middle part. Satisfaction, I think it is.
Yeah.
You need to find a way to split that between the two of you, and then the second person would do all of visualization or benefits or whatever the fourth part of the 6 steps are. 5 steps.
Yeah, and right now I'm actually trying to record on like my cell phone just because I'd hate to lose everything we've done. You know what I mean? I kind of caught us in the middle. Yeah, I caught us in the middle, so I didn't have it all. But at least what I have, I'll give it an attempt to try to post it to the site so it at least sees that we initiated it.
Yes, that'd be excellent. Excellent idea.
So Michelle's going to take the intro. Zach's going to do the conclusion.
Yep.
Well, I'll just leave it up to you which half you want to do. If you want to do the visualization or whatever, that's fine. I'll take whatever half you don't want to do. I think the visualization probably would, because what were the 3 parts again?
It was need, satisfaction, and visualization. I could write up the need.
Yeah, because I think one of the things he was saying, like according to like the assignment, was that you know the first part was like just after you give the history background, you wanted to justify why you're trying to sell this to him. So what's the need? And then he said utilize statistics and so forth. So.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like the need would be the largest section out of the body.
Yeah. So if you want, I can do satisfaction and visualization because I don't know how long I'm gonna get from visualization, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, that'll be pretty short. So I mean, that should work. So I'll work on the need. You can get a satisfaction visualization.
All right. Want to make like a deadline for all of our parts to be done?
Tomorrow evening work for everybody?
That's fine.
That should be fine.
Okay.
Does someone want to maybe? Okay, I mean, whatever is good for me, whatever time. I guess, does someone maybe want to take ownership to kind of understanding the air, like the Hangout air, so that maybe it works and they can record?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch the tutorial after this, and it shouldn't be too hard to set up.
I'll do the same just to make sure everybody's on the same page.
And do you have a desktop, though, if we had to record via desktop, that you could use that?
Yeah. I think whoever sets it up has to record it and then post it, so.
Okay.
Also, I'll do the topic approval form that we need to submit.
Okay.
So I'll work on that. I'll work on that tomorrow.
You want to post just whatever you have as far as websites on just any information that you have?
Yep, I'll send that through that feed section. I'll go ahead and put a couple journal entries regarding what we talked about. I'll try to post this recording from my cell phone, and then I'll actually add some tasks, like saying that we'll reconvene at like what, I don't know, what, 6 or 7 tomorrow. What time do you guys want to do?
I'd do better at 7.
That works for me.
Okay,
yeah.
So I'll put that on too as a due date, 7 tomorrow, and then we can maybe do the final recording where we're actually doing the speaking part on Wednesday. Is that okay, or?
Sounds good.
Yeah, that'd be good. If you guys want to meet, I can meet earlier tomorrow. I just thought like emailing all the parts for the outline at 7, but I can meet you guys anytime tomorrow on a video conference.
Yeah, I mean, I'm free after like 1 o'clock, so.
Well, maybe if we email our stuff and get that on through the feed, and we can exchange that we can look at it before, and then at 7 we can actually have another discussion.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay.
All right, sounds good to me.
So, Mitchell, are you then sending the invite, or who's sending the invite?
I'll send the invite. I'll figure out what we're doing, and around 7 I'll send it. So.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right.
I guess that's what we all need for today. Does anybody else have any other questions or anything?
I think we're good for now.
Alright.
Okay.
I guess if we have questions, we can use the blog page, or we know how to get a hold of each other well enough so we can figure anything out. And I guess we'll talk tomorrow, I guess is what's left.
Okay.
Right?
Sounds good.
Sound good?
Okay.
All right.
See you later.
I'll
Thanks.
see you all tomorrow.
Okay. Bye.
All right, see you.
Bye.